Hello, everybody. I'm Steve Reinharz, CEO of Artificial Intelligence Technology Solutions. This is your weekly update, and it's been a tradition for many weeks. And I thank everybody for watching. I thank all the new people for watching as well, and all the folks that have been with us for a long time. Thank you very much for being on this journey with us. We have a few different things to go through this week. This is going to be more of a traditional weekly update that you're used to over the past many months. I'm not doing a Chinese travel blog, we're not doing an AI avatar. This is back down to some core updates of what's happened that I can share. So the first piece is that if you are interested in what it might be like to go to China for 2 nights, watch last week's video, because it's a pretty realistic, it's an absolutely realistic story of how those trips happen. So anyway, for everybody who did watch it and enjoyed it, I'm glad you did. And for everybody who sympathized with me for the challenges of that trip, I thank you for the sympathy and empathy. Well, let's just jump right into it. The first thing is that on Thursday, the 5th, we did a AMA on Reddit, which was the first one we did on Reddit. It was kind of fun. Some good questions. I think that we expanded our audience. So that's great, right? That's part of my job, is to keep expanding our audience. So that went well, and I'm happy with that. You can check it out on Reddit if you look up AITX. Really just sharing a lot of information that everybody already knows, just to new forum, new eyes. November 3rd, Detroit Investor Conference. It's coming together in terms of some of the hardware that we're going to bring and show. I wanted to really get more work done on it this week, but that didn't happen, unfortunately. But we'll start kind of fleshing out the itinerary and the agenda for that next week. And it should be good. Don't worry if you're not going to be there. You're going to be able to watch it live and watch it recorded. And to the folks that have already signed up, I really look forward to seeing you in person. So that's going to be a lot of fun on November 3rd. If you're interested in signing up, then you can follow a link here or reach out to us and we'll get you registered for it. Talking about shows, we're going to have Troy, our ex-FBI agent, working the IACP show next week, the International Association of Chiefs of Police show in San Diego next week, with the Rad Dog. We're going to be under the Garda banner. So we'll be in the Garda booth, much like we were at GSX in Dallas last month. So I love when partners, big partners, take us under their wing. So that's going to be next week. That's going to be good activity for the Rad Dog sales. There's other stuff happening in law enforcement that I hope to share with you in the coming months. 2 case studies are finalizing, one for Ava and one for Rad Light My Way. I've seen the Rad Light My Way one, and it is strong in my opinion. So hopefully that drives additional business. We have a few different big things in my opinion happening on Rad Light My Way that I'm personally working. So we'll see how quickly we can get those to maturity. The Q is coming out. The Q is on time. The Q might come out next week, by the end of next week. So that's kind of what they're telling me right now. Subject to change, of course. But right now, we're looking at the end of next week, which would actually make it early, which is pretty incredible. So I'm really happy about that, and happy to share the details on that. I have to update the business description and share a lot of information in there. So my next week is going to be a little bit hairy as usual, but at least I don't have to travel. I've traveled the last 2 weeks of this month. Next week, I'm still in the home office. And the factory has been shipping. You've seen different photos. We've had some intrepid investors find, different devices around the country and post them. So that's always fun. We did a little bit of a roll up on Wednesday, just on some of the customers and verticals that we have. So that was fun. I hope everybody enjoyed it. And that's about it, guys. Listen, our focus is getting to positive cash flow. Obviously, a lot of liquidity has left the markets as interest rates have increased, and My main goal is to have AITX positioned to get through whatever coming economic strife might be on the horizon, if you read some of the pundits that are out there, and to be able to emerge and seize opportunities along the way. That's really what we're doing. We're working hard. We're making it happen. Revs are going up. I don't know. Reach out to me. Let me know what you think. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.